To add fingerprint on the Realme C71, first of all you will have to go for the settings. From here you have to scroll down and find this security and privacy settings, and as you are here, scroll down again and go for the device unlock. And here you'll have to go for the fingerprint and face unlock, and remember that if you want to set up the fingerprint you need to have any of these screen lock types selected, the pattern, pin or the password. You have to secure your phone somehow, because if you have selected this swipe, screen lock or no screen lock at all, you will be not able to actually use the fingerprint. So use any of these and now you are able to actually set up the fingerprint. So let's go into the settings and go for the fingerprint, and here you can set up your fingerprint, some options right here, information how it works. Let's agree. And from here, to add your fingerprint, you have to place your finger on the power button, since this fingerprint sensor is located on the power button. So let me just grab this phone right here and let's begin the fingerprint scan. So let's put, and here roll your finger slowly across the sensor to ensure your whole fingerprint is scanned. Alright, so let's simply put the finger right here, and every time you feel a little small vibration, you are ready to lift your finger and put it back on the fingerprint sensor right here, and this circle will slowly try to close, and this basically is the progress of the fingerprint scan. So here you have to make sure that you are scanning your finger accurately. Try scanning every single part of your finger right here, move it around, and yeah, as you can see, the fingerprint has been added. Let's press done, and as you can see, we have this fingerprint. And now as we try to unlock our phone with the fingerprint, it works with no problem. So that's basically how you can add the fingerprint on the Realme C71.